Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Joe. I'm a material researcher at the Moldex3D. So today I would like to give you a brief introduction to a Moldex3D material characterization service. And due to the time limitations, since we only have 30 minutes, so I'll try to keep it as concise as possible without getting into too much of the details. So the idea is to give everyone here some flavor of what we do in Moldex3D material characterization labs and what kind of service we can offer to our customers and what you can expect in terms of the results. So when we are talking about material characterizations, it is important to go back to the basic and the fundamentals. So all we want to do is to gather as much material information as possible before we run the simulations. So the idea is that when we have all these material data, such as the viscosity, heat capacity, thermal conductivity, and so on, this will make your simulations much more accurate, since your simulations involved runs based on the governing equations, and these governing equations will require material properties in order to solve for the free falls. So, for example, when we look at the mass balance here, this will require your density of the material. And when we look at the momentum balance, there is also the viscosity terms and the energy balance. This will involve the heat capacity and also the thermal conductivities. And so, in essence, when we are trying to solve these material functions or the governing equations, material properties is very important. Without accurate material properties, what we are doing is essentially solving these governing equations blind. So that's not something that we want to do.